previous practice sessions, we have been working on only one single database, which is Sales Orders Example database. But from now on, we may use different databases for our practice. Now, if you have to work with multiple tables or work with multiple databases, it is important to simplify the syntax as much as possible. So as we see here, we always give the database dot table name in our syntax, which is not a bit convenient. Now, in order to get rid of this, you could do two things. The first way is to define or specify the database before you give the query. To define or specify the database, the command is use the database name, Sales Orders Example database. Now, if you run this and then execute the query, you need not specify the database once again. As you could see here, we got the result without specifying the database because we've already defined it before. The second way is to go to the left-hand panel, right-click on the database which you want to work on, and then set as default schema. If this is done, you need not do this again, and you can directly run the query without specifying the database because we have already defined the default schema or database. You can find all the database files in the GitHub repository. I've given the link in the description. You can go to your new repository. You can either download the zip file and unzip it, or you can clone the repository. I'm providing the relevant links in the description below. Please feel free to watch them if you get stuck somewhere. Alright, see you in the next video.